Flight attendants, please prepare for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. You can open it up.
Attention all passengers, we will be starting our in-flight. Attention all passengers, we will be serving our in-flight meal shortly with your choice of red or white wine.
Once you reach a comfortable cruising altitude, ladies and gentlemen, the flight attendants will be in the cabin and will offer you.
Okay! Yeah! What? Check this out, right? Yeah! Look, John, the motherfucking Eastside boys. What? The king's the crunk. What's happening? Hey! It's your boy Lil John. The big your me click. What's up, Bodie? What's happening? What's up, Sean Paul? What's happening? Hey! Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. Turn this thing on out. Now let me see everybody do this. Hey, let's go. Snap your fingers, but do you still? You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. What's happening? Hey. Oh yeah, you? What?
It's those nasty beat makers.
Yeah. Pitbull in this bitch. Yeah. Me. Lil John checking in. Scrap it.